Oof. I don't know how they're gonna fit through this. Hey. See what we can do here. Holy moly.
Always make sure you follow all.
Oh, snap. Alright, let's get a picture for you. Hey. It's hard to see because it's snowing. Alright, hey. Alright guys, we're gonna shovel my roommate's car, so let's get there. Yes, and we can get food, because I'm hungry. A picture?
No, take the video.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
1,
Yeah.
2.
Bruh. Alright, here you go. Aw, snap. Hey.
Hey.
Oh. Oh, we're gonna take a photo for him.
Yeah.
Alright. We're getting devoured in this snow. He's starting the shoveling. Hey, I'm gonna help him out. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, look at that. Big chunks. Damn, it's snowing on top of the snow that we already have. Like, give us a break. Let the old snow melt first, at least. Yeah. Hey, big man. Big man with a big plan. Quoted from my other roommate. The clock strikes one. Okay. Bruh. This thing is effed up. Look at this. At this point, I'm just scratching against plastic. I guess we can't really use this anymore. Oh! Careful. From the old snow.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's gonna be really difficult to break.
I'm gonna break this one. You can't take that one off. Oh, holy moly.
Holy moly. Aw, snap. He's playing the Hindi music. What better way to shovel than to listen to music? Of course, it's all gonna be copyrighted, so I'm probably gonna mute this part out. I'm gonna help out my roommate. Oh, we got a bus behind.
You see where the difference between the old and new? Yeah, just remove that. Wow.
Hey.
I have the power.
Basically, we're just moving snow somewhere else.
Yeah, imagine the truck is gonna come and push everything here again.
Yeah.
That's you need that steel shovel to take that thing out.
He's carrying us to victory. Alright, he got the pick ice. Now we in business. Now we in business. Hey. Oh. That is stuck. But at least we cleared out. Well, basically my roommate cleared out most of it. He basically did the whole thing. Really good progress here. You did it! Hey! Now it's time for us to get some lunch. And I'm thinking chicken halal. If my halal guy's there, but let's see. Alright, hey. Aw, snap. There's the doggo. Hey. Oof. I don't know how they're gonna fit through this. Damn. Pause. Right. Okay. Yep.
It's
Oh, shit. Alright. Let's get a picture for you. Hey. Alright. Good? Okay. It's hard to see because it's snowing. You're against the light, so.
So I'm going to turn this side.
Damn, he is committed. He's committed to this. Alright, well, my halal guy wasn't there, but we got groceries. So now we won't be starving. But yeah, the snowstorm's still gonna keep going on, and we're gonna shovel more in the evening. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hey, stay safe out there, guys.
Always make sure you follow all.
Well, sometimes. With discretion. Alright.
Alright guys, be safe.
Peace out. Bye.